Hi, Pao. It's going to be your 40th birthday. Life has never been so easy. But, well and good. With your faith in God, your resiliency, confidence, everything else is going to be very well. We know for sure that on your struggles, you will always win. And we know for sure that with your resiliency and self-confidence, you will conquer all the problems that lies ahead. Remember, after all, as the saying goes, life begins at 40. So on your very first day and very first year, on your 40th day, we wish you all the successes in life. We are always here, your parents, your siblings, fully supporting you. Tandaan mo mabuti, hindi ka namin iiwanan sa anumang klase ng laban. Happy birthday, my girl! Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Happy birthday, Pao! Happy 40th birthday to you. Wish you all the best for your birthday. And I will always pray for you, for your success. And God bless you more. I know na with your kasipagan, magiging successful ka sa iyong hinahangad para sa inyong dalawa ni Jacob. All the best for you, anak. Happy 40th birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tol.
Hi, Ate Pao. Happy birthday. I miss you so much. I wish I could be there to celebrate this special day with you. But for now, enjoy your day with your friends and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for everything. Many more birthdays and blessings to come. Love you, Ate.
Hello, Ate P! Happy birthday, Tol! Enjoy your special day! We love you! Ingat kayo dyan palagi! God bless! Sarang Hockey!
Happy birthday, Tita Pao!
See you soon. See you soon. Happy birthday! Kaedad na tayo. Welcome to the club. Ano yan? Happy birthday!
Okay, go. Happy birthday, Ate Pao, sa Ate ni Baby. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Okay, go. Happy birthday, Ate Pao!
Follow yung blow out. Happy birthday, anak! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Pao. Love you. Happy birthday, Tita Pao. We love you. God bless always.
Hi, Ate P! Happy birthday! May this year filled with more success and happiness. Thank you for sharing your blessings. God bless you always. We love you.
Happy birthday to you!
Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha!
Happy birthday,
40th
Pao.
birthday, Pao! God bless you more! Love you, love you!
We love you! We love you!
Mwah, mwah, mwah!
Hey, happy birthday, Palinda. Have a great day. Palinda, we love you.
Happy birthday, Palinda. I hope it's fantastic. You deserve the greatest, most awesome birthday ever. Enjoy, okay? Bye.
Happy birthday, Palinda.
Palinda, happy birthday. It's your 40th, so enjoy your day.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, pal!
Happy birthday, pal!
Enjoy!
Enjoy! Sana magka-love life ka na.
Hey, what's up? It's me, Snap Dog. I just want to greet my friend Paulinda. She's sobrang Latina. She works hard. She out hard. That's why. So yeah, it's your 40th birthday. So alam mo na, more pure weeks to use. Okay, so wish ko sa'yo, stay healthy, stay safe, dahil sa'yo walang aw kay Pao. Ano ba yan? So I wish you all the best, malapit na yung matapos yung contract natin. So more dollars to come. I don't wanna say more pennies to come, kasi alam mo na, baka iba mapasok sa isip natin. So yeah, good luck sa atin lahat. To all Shenanigans team, we love you. God bless us. That's a wrap. I'm out.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Pao and Ruel.
Pao.
Happy birthday, Pao.
May you have more blessings to come.
And may you have more happiness and more successful years ahead of you. Happy birthday to you. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pao. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 40th birthday. Ananda mo na.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.